We are here in the Delfin cooking show.
Today we will talk about how to make a traditional bánh chưng.
So what is bánh chưng?
Bánh chưng, or called square glutinous rice cake, is a traditional food of Vietnamese people during the Tết holidays. For the Vietnamese, making bánh chưng is the ideal way to express gratitude to the ancestors and homeland.
So what do we need to make bánh chưng?
We have sticky rice,
pork, and mung beans.
We also have dong leaves.
Yeah, and bamboo strings.
Why do we need the bamboo strings?
To tie it up like this. This is not bánh chưng, that is bánh chưng.
Let's get ready.
Step 1. What do we need to do? Before we do everything.
We need to soak the sticky rice overnight, then drain and check with salt, which we did already. In heaven and earth, nothing is more precious than rice. Humans are fed with it and never get fed up with it. From the bánh chưng bánh dày legend.
Step 2, what we do with the mung beans. We rinse it and remove the dust. Soak the mung beans in water for 2 to 4 hours and wash away the husk.
3. Pork. Cut the pork into squares of 4x2 centimeters and season them with salt and pepper, which we did already. 4. Wrapping.
You need 3 pieces of lazang.
We need to place the zong leaf on a flat surface and put a small bowl portion of rice on it. Small bowl portion of rice.
I think it's small.
Okay. We need to split 100 grams of mung bean into halves. We need to put now 2 more pieces of these.
Okay.
And put another bowl because they say half.
2?
Yeah, they say half. Don't you see the word half? Plants. Plants, too much plants. The last thing is cover it with another small bowl portion of rice.
Now you know why we need 2 bowls of rice?
Oh no.
Look at it, it's almost finished.
Oh. So now we fold the leaves over. Wrap the cake into a square shape and tie it with bamboo string. It smells so bad.
It's not so bad?
I smell it.
I didn't say.
Tighten it, tighten it.
Tighten it. Okay.
Not press it, I said tighten it.
Okay.
Man,
Huh?
pay attention. Put your
Okay.
hand up. Squish that way.
Squish that place. Okay. Let's squish inside. After that, we need to go down to the cooker, right?
We would need a lot more time than that. So maybe we will have to cook overnight.
6 hours.
6 hours, yes.
Kidding me? 6 hours, then I will be late for my
Hold
class.
this. Oh wait, I forgot this.
Okay, then. Okay, let's squish it down.
No.
Kidding.
This is square, not a circle.
Okay. Kidding, just kidding. Well, can I bring it out now?
And out.
And out. If it falls, it's our fault.
Making bánh chưng is a part of our traditions, right?
Yeah.
Do you know any other traditions about it? Yes?
We have áo dài không nào anh gọi là gì?
Áo dài.
Bruh. Cái này còn long chưa?
We can just simply call it áo dài.
First shirt is long. Do we call it long shirt?
Yeah, we do call it.
What is your favorite part about it?
Playing with my brothers and sisters, since I really have a little time to meet them. Since they were always busy and they always learning more subjects, so I couldn't go to their house to play even at weekends, since they learn much at weekends.
Yeah.
Dude, looks good, I think it looks good, Rectangle. This could be a new shape, right?
So what do we do with these 2 these two uncooked things.
We need it.
Can we cut this in half?
No need. We can keep them.
Hey,
Hey, I got an idea. We can keep it and call it as a chocolate type of just kidding. So after we make these bánh chưng, we will put it in the cooker for 6 to 7 hours. We will put it overnight.
We'll cook it later, and we got our already cooked one here.
I'll cook the bánh chưng.
How to cut the chicken? We put the strings out.
And then we put the leaves out. And I don't know how to use it. I don't know how to open it. It's too sticky. You deal with it.
You
I have presentation on.
Yep. Put your hand.
I know.
Peel.
Like this?
Yeah.
Too easy.
Yeah.
Hey, look what I have now. A net. A net. Not that. Too fun. Just do it. I'll throw this away and we will open this one.
So you're gonna
Put this away. We'll open this one.
Who invented bánh chưng?
Prince Lang Liêu.
It's Lang Liêu, right? Can you name all the ingredients for bánh chưng?
sticky rice,
Long leaves,
mung beans.
rice,
Yeah, I already said it. Bamboo strings.
One more.
Oh yeah, the pork.
pork.
What do mung bean and pork represent?
Mung beans represents plants and pork represents animals. Bánh chưng represents the land. Plants and animals live on the earth. They depend on each other. Bye bye everyone. Happy New Year to you.
Just buy this. Don't do it. Yeah. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
And the audience to hear that.
The audience could hear that since I don't like it. I don't know what to do.